Alright guys, so here is our work, the update of our beauty project at Enobuko. As you can see, it will always be neat, standard from us. Yes. Yes. Clean walls, vertically straight. Yeah, everything on our plan. As you can see, we're already at the lintel stage. No matter how small or big the project is, we'll always give you the best. We'll always give you the best. Yeah. You can see the column stirrup arrangement and spacing. We don't just guess, we do structural designs and follow what is on the design. There's no guesswork. You must follow the design to the letter.